morning, guys. It is probably like 8:30 right now, and I am getting ready. I have a couple of things to do today, so I'm gonna go over the agenda. I'm just moisturizing right now. I already brushed my teeth, washed my face, and I did my eyebrows already because those take forever. Alright, so I do have a little to-do list to check off, or I will not get anything done. I will just stay home. So I have wake up at 8 a.m. I basically did. I just kept putting my alarms, but I was awake. I wasn't asleep, but you know, I wasn't up either. Next one is, I had gym next, but I bought a MacBook last night impulsively. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to my nearest Apple store soon. Doesn't open till 10, but I'm gonna get Starbucks before, so it's okay. We'll go a little bit early. I'm dreading the gym today. I haven't been in like 3 months, but I do need to start getting back into it. I've been saying this for like a month already. I just need to go. I know it's hard, and I don't know. Okay, you know, I am going today. I was gonna say, I don't know if I'm going today, actually, but I need to make myself. I need to stop this cycle. Every time I say I'm doing a light face, I do my whole makeup. But it is light, and it is a light face. So after the gym, I do plan on coming home, obviously showering, and I have post TikTok content, at least 3 videos. I'm gonna post at least 2. The next thing on my to-do list is educate / like watch videos about Final Cut Pro and download it, obviously on my iPad. Not my iPad, my MacBook, my new MacBook. This is the outfit. We have this Nike sweatshirt. It is cropped, I tucked it in. We got these shorts from White Fox, and then these New Balances from New Balance, obviously. They are the 530s, if you're wondering. Right now it is currently around 9:10, yeah, 9:12 or so, and I'm gonna start going. It's kind of annoying because my closest Apple store is in the Galleria here in Dallas, so I do have to go in, but there's a Starbucks, so I'm going. All right, I have arrived. It is about 9:36 right now. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in, grab it, get coffee, obviously. I will do a little montage and stuff like that, so yeah. Ignore the angle, but I got back to my car. That box was heavy, like my arm was like falling off. All right guys, we got the goods. Let me tell you, this bag is so heavy, my arm was falling off. I had to stop twice to get to my car. Mind you, the gallery is really not that big, and I've walked it multiple times. I live down the street. My arm was dead. All right, so here we go. Right, it's not coming out of the box. All right, so we have the box. Obviously, I don't have, well, I do have scissors, but I don't want to go get them because I think I might have to wash them. I use scissors for food, like to cut stuff because it's just easier. But yeah, I probably shouldn't be doing this because it's Apple products, but it's just the box, so it doesn't matter. And yeah, give me scissors. Alright, I'll be back. I need some type of scissors. Alright, I am back with these scissors. Every time I get a package from Apple and I'm at the Galleria, I feel so nervous like someone's gonna rob me. And I cannot chill out. I was just like, there was literally a tab for me to pull this off. It's okay, it's okay. This is gonna be the box. Am I dumb? I'm just gonna lift this up, keep showing videos for about 10 minutes. Guys, it looks so pretty. I got the color silver. I just need to get a case for it before I break it. I'm scared. This is it. I'm gonna unpack everything else before I do this because I don't want to break it right now. I thought this was AirPods for a second. It's the box. I thought it was AirPods. I was like, okay. By the way, I got the MacBook 13-inch M1 chip, the newest one that's on there as of right now, which is July 2023. Yeah, after 2021, I stopped counting. Like, it's hard to keep up with the years. All right, so we have the charger in the box. You have obviously the manual and your little Apple stickers, which, does anybody use them other than like middle schoolers? Let's go ahead and unwrap it. This is my first MacBook, by the way, so I'm kind of confused on how to open it, but see, oh, like that. This is the back. this is it. Let's do an open test. I always try to open the wrong side every single time. But am I dumb? Oh, it was the right side, guys. It was the right side. Actually, should I put it down? So I'm gonna have to wait. I'll come back when it's charged a little bit. I need to make sure they gave me the right one. This looks way bigger than my boyfriend's, which I think was also 13 inch. Okay, it says 13 inch, but it looks way bigger than I expected. This is huge. I thought it was gonna be like my boyfriend's. All right, guys, I got it pretty much set up. I made my wallpaper on Canva, and I love it. I'm gonna put like the sticky note app thing right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna download a couple apps, Final Cut Pro, stuff like that, and just mess around with it for a bit. Just to do a quick update. So it is about 11:30 right now. I am about to eat breakfast. I'm just gonna eat avocado toast. I was gonna make some eggs too, but these dishes, I don't feel like washing them right now. I'm just gonna be honest. I watched them yesterday morning, and then there's a lot again, because you know, humans eat. But yeah, I'm not doing that. I just wanted to sit down and chat for whoever may be watching this video. Probably not many, but it's okay. I just made my avocado toast. It doesn't look that aesthetic, but it's bomb. It is 10 out of 10. Of course, I still got my Starbucks. It usually takes me like 4 hours to finish this, maybe even more. I don't know why. My posting schedule, I want to post at least twice a week. I know that's crazy for just starting, but I don't work full-time. I work part-time, so I should have no excuse not to. So yeah, this one is probably gonna go up whenever it's up, okay? And then tomorrow is another interesting day. I'm taking my first spin class, so I want to vlog tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna finish eating, and then I'll come back when I'm probably going to the gym or doing anything else interesting. I am dead. I don't know how I'm gonna survive the spin class tomorrow. That's all I gotta say. I did 12:3:30. I didn't even do the full thing. I did like 9, not even 3:30. I did 30 minutes, but I think I'm gonna close out my vlog here. I'm not doing much. I'm not cooking tonight. I'm just eating leftovers. Probably gonna go home, shower, and maybe take a nap. Guys, I haven't worked out in maybe 3 months. So yeah, I am vlogging my spin and stuff tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But if you like the video, subscribe, like the video, leave some questions for me. I do want to do a Q&A, maybe like a get ready with me Q&A. I will see y'all. Thank you for watching, and bye.